If you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Anywhere where you dey inside Obodo Nigeria or Obodo the world on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live. You fit dey watch this program where we say we dey carry all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop am, make yourself chook mouth inside and talk am so that those who dey lead us go do wetin. Do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well when I stay concerning politics matter. As e dey hot.
Yes, a beautiful Friday morning to our wonderful viewers who dey watch us right now. Now, there's second edition of our Ogbonge program as e dey hot. Now we don't carry come our way, and that program where they inform me they search now with different political activities. Today we no go different because we everywhere we talk from Monday reach and yesterday we Thursday we go do it. We go give una, and we also do it. We go also give now small chops. Latest information where they happen for Obodo Nigeria, we will do it. We also try to now. We also open our phone lines when our time reach. Now if we do it now, if we call and also contribute effectively to the whole thing. And my name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this now AS E DEY HOT.
Una don't hear the introduction of two of us when they wear the jersey to discuss the issue when they inside Obodo Nigeria. But we get one Ogbonge visitor when we say he don't sit down as a referee for the center to discuss the issue with us. But before we introduce them, we go enter inside market small, clear our throat so that when the introduction comes, the discussion will just be fire down as e dey hot. It's not going anywhere. We dey come back. Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT. Before we go that break, we've been talking, we get Ogbonge visitor inside studio to follow us discuss all the Ogbonge Tori wey we carry come this week. This na person wey we say, he no dey waka anyhow. And anytime when you decide to waka, e go good. Make them prepare pounded yam and soup wey get plenty vegetable based on say na in power. In they use to discuss issues wey dey affect us inside Obodo Nigeria passionately. And they talk of no other than engineer Oluremi Omowaye. Engineer Oluremi Omowaye na person wey we say, if they call APC people inside Osun State, in name follow for top people inside their register. Engineer, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And
Good morning, Nigerians.
Engineer, we get one particular tradition we get on top of our show. We dey shake the hand of our visitors them so that when we start the discussion, make you not be like say we carry you for mind or we dey quarrel because we know the hide mouth when it reach to ask questions. So once again, we welcome you to AS E DEY HOT.
Because very, very soon the question will be thrown from right, left, and from different angles. So
I did it.
Okay, no wahala. So we just tell
as we dey do am every Monday, 20th of June, we dey tear the nylon commot on top of all of the action tori when we carry come from the weekend. And that Monday when pass, so we carry 5 Ogbonge stories come. When we drop these 5 stories, we will just take your take one by one. Go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, before we go enter the main small chops so we carry come today. We start with Papa Oyoyo, President Muhammadu Buhari, don return from his vacation from inside the United Kingdom. And in here, don dey very, very okay. Because he even tell journalists them say, if they leave 2 of them, make them fight wrestling, he go carry them up, knock them for ground. From that one, we enter the one where we say the retreat, where we say our senators them come do for inside Lagos. When they talk say inside the retreat, some of them discuss say based on say the work where senator they do no be small work, na very, very big work. Say make they arrange life pension for them. That is money when we say after them finish the great work when they do for Senate, they go use that one, they step down small because now we then they represent and have plenty work than they do. Some people even come add say make them give immunity to presiding officers of the National Assembly. That is to say the one when we say then they go court or somebody they talk say one kind thing happen, one thing happen, make them go investigate them, say you no go there at all. From that one we enter the APC primaries inside Edo State. We can't draw here give INEC say wetin happen for Kogi or Bayelsa or Rivers, it good make we learn from am. As we get time before September 10 to prepare for this election, it go good make we prepare. Because if we fail for Edo, wetin go happen for Ondo? And remember say, election na the only opportunity when the people get to choose who go represent them. And we can also talk about the report where some bring back our girls people carry come say 14.8 million children then they suffer from Boko Haram Jaguda badness. We can't talk say now na the time when we say government and the good people of Nigeria are supposed to rise up to the occasion. Because because these people wey suffer from Boko Haram Jaguda badness no be their fault. We suppose show them support so that Boko Haram Jaguda people no go meet them. They tell them say, you see, they don't care about you. Come and join us. We can't top them up with the new policy where we say the Central Bank of Nigeria that Monday now them put into motion based on forex. We can't hope say our naira when we say don't fall anyhow for where the dollar dey, the thing go begin the ginger. Can't they stand with pride anywhere when other currencies them dey. This now all the story when we carry come on Monday as it dey hot.
And then straight up to Tuesday, we can carry the issue of EFCC versus Oga Ayo Fayose, that is the governor of Ekiti State, control down. When we hear say yes, say then do it in, say they freeze him account. But Oga Fayose come and talk say look, say the account, say they don't get any right to do it in, they don't get any right to freeze an account until say he get immunity clause. But then EFCC also come and talk say look, say as long as they get act to provide them the right to do it, to do anything, say the same act provide them the right to do it, to freeze anybody account, irrespective of who you are, be you the presidency, be you the vice president, be you anybody, so they get the right to do it, to freeze anybody account. So on top of that particular matter, be that, and we'll still follow up the story as they go.
From that particular story, we'll go enter the one we get to do with forgery inside the National Assembly. As they talk, say the executive don't carry case, not for the head of the Senate Presido and the Deputy Senate President, Dr. Bukola Saraki and Ike Ekweremadu. And they talk, say the standing order of the Senate, based on the election when happened for 2015, and say they change and somehow to give them undue or unfair advantage. But people come for Senate, come and talk, say, the way we say the executive, they act like, say, they want they use muzzle, they push the legislature go one place, say, make them be careful. And another recent development don't come talk and say senators when they represent the People's Democratic Party, they organize one small joint body come talk say if the President Muhammadu Buhari continue the way they continue, they go withdraw their support from him and they go make sure say this government they go really show am say no be just one political party now they run things for inside that government. But we come out on top of a come talk say if you get case, go court, go clear your mama name. Because if we get court of law, we also get court of public opinion. If you dey represent people, and those people they carry you for mind, say, it be like say you get case to answer. Then what if they represent when they represent them? That's not the story when we talk about the forgery case when they knock for the head of the Senate Presido and the Deputy Senate Presido based on say forgery or no forgery.
And yesterday will be Thursday, we'll come carry the matter. Enter Oga that's the President himself. And when he come back from interview, come they address members of people when they work for him for national for this government house. He come tell them say look, say time don't reach, we will do it, we will go back to agriculture. Now like advice, he throw the head, say look, there's no more the issue of say oil, that era don't pass. Say right about now, to make everybody do it, make everybody consider agriculture as the only way out right about now, at least to take restore our economy. And we can also carry two Bonga guests come house because what we even discuss now 3 in 1 actually. We can carry two Bonga guests come house. That is Oga Roseviver and Badebo and also Oga Olukayode. And this will come also drop their own lines on top of this matter. And part of it we also talk about now the doctor strike. We also play out. We can say why doctors will go on strike. What is the problem? We lead to this strike. Why we say when it be say something they enter the level where you're supposed to enter. Now that time government we call it do it. Can't they try find solution to that? We can also talk about accountability in government. Say how one person go get over 4 billion naira for your account. Say waiting, where we say the money is supposed to do it, we're supposed to channel it to at least development for the people. You ended up for your account. Say waiting be the thing. Say was the money designed for you and all that. So all this now we'll talk about yesterday will be Thursday be that. And then we'll go add them up with a few other things, small chops, and then a couple of other things we'll get for now.
Oluremi, once again, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Thank you.
Make we no waste time. Now, make we just go straight into all of this discussion when we carry come. I go like make we enter inside Monday, but we go just rush that Monday, do everything sharp. And from all the stories when we carry come on Monday, you get 3 things when we don't carry come out. 1, preparation. And say person ready to do something. Make I join these 3 stories together. They talk say CBN don't come up with new policy. Oga Presido don't return from UK with plenty ginger. And in fact say APC don't conduct their primary. And whether INEC ready for 2016 election will happen on the 10th of September. Make I break this thing now. Why it be like say when issue they happen, we know they know how to solve them. Until the thing can't reach the level where we say everything don't come spoil. Before we go come talk, say, now we won't begin the act. I won't ask, shey he get any book when they write, say, Government 101, if you study this book finish, now you go fit know wetin to do about government. On a common sense, you look the way situation dey, you can't approach am. Because I know say for over 1 year now, the CBN don dey try to see say they wan ginger the naira, they wan do this, they wan do that, but e be like say the thing no dey work. But e come be like say they don use new one now wey come allow the thing enter. Why e be say for government, e be like say most times we dey use trial and error. Shey na say na NYSC some people dey do for government. I mean, they think say government na about IT.
Well, we could not blame the government. We get one big problem for Nigeria when most of us not identify. We not dey produce anything. We just to dey consume. The only thing when we dey produce, when we produce na corruption. Now everything with the import. With the import. Pressure dey on top our naira. The CBN people carry book, begin do different calculations, say make we try this, make we try this. Not be their fault now. You know, say the British Prime Minister talks, say we are fantastically corrupt.
Yes.
And I see a lot of people, they blame governors, say they not fit pay salary. Because the level of corruption for Nigeria now waiting they beyond comprehension. So CBN don't try a lot of things, you know what? Not to blame them, because our economy they funny. Now everything with the import toothpick, with the import water. So pressure they on our currency. But with waiting they don't try now, and with waiting government they take style do. Maybe in the next 6 months we go begin import small things, then we go begin export small things. Then things on with the import go reduce. We look at rice now. One rice they they call Kirby rice now. They do 1 million metric ton. I know waiting for the part for rice issue. Say rice now like corn. 3 months you don't grow, you don't harvest time. So why we go they import rice? But now the government don't try to do something when we say we go they produce rice. So pressure for forex go commot. And with what CBN can do now when we say now as demand day, now go they determine the money for
exactly.
By the time we reduce waiting with the import, by the time when some of our refinery begin work, by the time when this man when they build the refinery, build the own finish, you go just discover say pressure on naira go come down. So now waiting good. They talk say they go build one refinery finish by ending of next year. And I know say by that time government too go don't do something on top of their refinery. So at the end of the day, 80% of what they consume are forex. Now PMS with the import. At the end of the day, we not go to the import PMS again. Pressure on our naira go reduce. And because what CBN don't do now as pressure there on naira, now go determine as the thing go go up, go go down. So you go discuss say by the end of the day, the pressure on naira go reduce and it go pay all of us. So make we not to blame CBN, because you know say Nigeria we are fantastic people.
The way when you take explain all these things now, you don't dey very very clear. Say we go approach issues systematically. Because if we rush go do am, we go fail. So instead of make we come dey dwell too much on all this particular issue, we could just conclude am by saying say Nigerians, we must exercise patience, because no be like say government fold their hand and they sleep. And we must support the government to use ensure say if then they make mistake, we call them say make una do this thing well so that we go fit move forward.
Yes, straight up. May I ask this next question? And why you were busy? Why you they address the other question they ask you? You be talk say with the way things they go now, say people they see governors are people who do it because of say they don't fit pay salary, they see them pay as people they corrupt. Okay, may I come bring down to the issue of waiting play out between EFCC and Oga Ayo Fayose. That is the governor of Ekiti State. Okay, Oga Ayo Fayose come and talk say look, say immunity clause protect them. EFCC also talk say look, say them get every right to do it into freeze account. But then in between this talk, there is also a clause, and the clause will say okay, say before EFCC go do it, before EFCC go carry out any action, they go need to do it. Then go need to at least get court order first. Oh, the question comes say, what will be the line between people with anti-corrupt bodies? Say what will be the line where we go fit draw between anti-corrupt bodies and then say they won't fight corruption, even to the level say okay, anybody way irrespective of the office where you do, we go also speed drag you put. How go fit take draw this particular line?
But what happen be say, it be like say a lot of people don't know say government don't change. You know say before some people they you not fit touch them.
True, untouchable.
You see the way me I dey analyze money, all those big money. If you get 1 billion, you can't spend 50,000 naira every day. It will take you 52 years to spend finish.
Every day.
Every day. Come mind you don't go carry the 1 billion for house. You go put them for bank. No matter how small it be, interest go dey enter. This guy go dey chop corn for street. He go dey do agbojedi. He go dey chop beans. Meanwhile, money wey he steal, he keep am. They not get immunity, so they not go prosecute am. But immunity not dey on top in your account.
Yes, which
They talk say they trace money when they supposed to use buy ammunition. You enter your account. They can't freeze and you can't complain. Why they not go freeze your own account? Why they not freeze your own account? At least you get back account. This is not about in the one party or in the B party. We dey talk say we need to fight corruption. Nobody will not go appeal now say peace on the return go northeast.
But quickly, Oga, this ruler, may I quickly add up this one. Going by what people they talk, going by reaction, people go talk say, look, if blood say this issue of corruption will they fight, now one-sided thing. Going by the people who don't see, just like say, now still one-sided. Say even the people where they involved for this thing, where they members of the party, no, they know even that tackle them.
Okay, with the miss one Buhari friend when they involved, they carry on now. Now, they probe ammunition money. Now PDP, they government. Now them they distribute them. And they don't say APC want fight them for polls. They not go give APC money now. Now people when collect money that they probe. Why they not come probe you? Why they not probe me? Why you expect say they go probe person when not they their government? When Buhari finish in your government too, another person will come. When you want probe anything, now Buhari go probe. So now very simple calculation. With the probe ammunition money, you not go expect say they go carry Oshibajo when be when they in chambers when they share the money, or you expect say they go carry Aregbesola when be say in with Jonathan, they not be friend. I go give am money. When they do Osun election, I remember at that time, you go see Fayose like this, you go carry convoy with Kashamu. They go the waka for streets as if that them get Osun. They spend money as they like. So now people will collect money. Now then they ask. This is not be rocket science now. They carry 2 billion. They share them like this. They carry the banker. Who collect that money? The banker give them name. They go pick the person. So which one be selecting justice there? Now simple thing now.
So it go good. Make we know even to waste time on all this one. Anybody when they talk say see so thing when you do. If you know say you know do one,
make you go court.
Go court talk say you know do one. Proof. Not be say you gonna talk say I do my own, but you self do your own. You do your own. They do their own. Make all of una the thing go do now, so that we will collect Nigeria money. When we go you do things for inside this country.
Exactly.
Talking about probe, we enter this next one because this one people talk say if there another graduation of selective prosecution, because they talk say make Senate President and the Deputy Senate President make them go court, go answer their mama name based on say they forged something. But some people they talk say this one are because of say some leaders for inside APC. You go fit answer this one because if like you and them una be as it based on you be their friend. Say una no happy with the way when we say Oga Bukola Saraki emerge as Senate President. Now why una they pursue him? Because of say una want nail am at all cost. Then they talk say like say na Ahmed Lawan go there, or like say come later year the time una talk say oh yeah put these other people for there, say all this thing for no come out. How true be this statement?
This is this simple. I don't be their friend, I be their pikin.
Okay.
This is very simple now. They talk say you forge something. And deep within you, you know say this thing now forge. You don't need to they shout now. Go court. Go prove say you not forge am.
True.
Now very simple thing. We don't need to stress ourselves for this matter. They talk say you forge something. You talk say you not forge am. And not be say they allege you. They talk say make you come court, come prove yourself. Now you make me like waiting the Attorney General talk. He talk say go court, go prove yourself.
True.
You see, things must not continue like this in this country.
Very true.
If na APC person, my party, we go change Nigeria for better, now not do well. Make him go court, make them prosecute him.
True.
You see, our Peking must not go through what we go through as a country. When we say they go to import pure water, they go to import toothpick. No. So anybody when we say they are alleged, make him go court. The only prayer I be the beg when I go and beg our judiciary be say, make them they sincere in anything when they do. Whether the person at PDP, na Labour, APC, na Wazobia TV, make the just they sincere so that this country go move forward. Period.
So this one I just say make everybody make everything dey in the open. Make every Nigerian fit see. Make they understand.
They don't list Itainang. Itainang na him be chairman Senate committee on rules and business that time.
Very true.
So Itainang don go TV talk say e be like say they patch this thing. But wetin talk for TV not go old na until he reach court.
Exactly.
So they don't list Itainang too. So Itainang go there come talk say okay oh. Now the thing be this o.
Exactly.
And not forget say na 109 senators na dey Senate.
True.
All of them get copy of this thing.
Exactly. Why your own go different from
why your own go
exactly.
dey different? So make them go court now. Make we not stress ourselves at all. Enough things dey when we suppose concentrate on for Nigeria. Make we concentrate.
Rather than carry other issues, they take distractors. Okay, straight up, may I enter into the last story we will get. This one we call on 3 in 1. We talked about accountability in government going by wetin happens. How one person will get over 4 point something billion. We can also talk about going back to agriculture. We all got presido talk. We can also talk about doctor strike. We happen. Okay, make we bring out like this. Say with accountability, now they define a lot of things. Yeah. Accountability, now they ensure say at least the issue of state diversification will play out. If government look at where we say okay, we really want diversify, we want to do things where it's supposed to. At least they will show accountability in this system. Ensure say money enter where it's supposed to enter. Accountability because if say accountability day, now you go also do it. Now you go also ensure say at least doctors' welfare are being taken good care of. You understand? Okay, more computer this way. How will we take see effectiveness in government, or probably they look out for effectiveness in government. We say we go fit provide room for things to work the way it's supposed to work. Because if this one they bring in no excuse, this one they bring your excuse. I come say on the side of the government, just say they know that sincerity no also dey in them. How that effectiveness go fit play around so that everybody, no matter anywhere where you be, you go fit benefit from that particular system of government.
But the first thing when I want to talk say make we first agree say problem dey, and na crude oil na cause problem. I dey listen to solid the mineral minister. In the talk say most of the analysts say gold dey Osun, tin dey this place, marble dey this place. Say na analysis of about 30-40 years ago. So as I dey follow you talk now, dey possible make gold dey make we not know. Because crude money e dey come yafu we not send.
Very true.
Cocoa money as e be reach, na they take use build first television station, wey be largest TV network. Cocoa house, now they take build up. The university where you get the best structure for West Africa to today, big where. Now cocoa money they take be oil. So oil money don't they go. We need to face reality.
True.
Before now, 3 tiers of government, they go share 1 trillion. Last time they can share 288.
It don't drop.
Not forget, say they're not the thief again. No. They can share 288. Federal government can't they take 52%. All of us they talk to that 52% too plenty. The 52% where federal government can't take can't be like 140-something billion. Federal government can't see that they do staff audits. They want to remove ghost workers. They can't remove them. Their salary can't come 165. So the almighty federal government when they take 52%, self with waiting they collect last month, not to pay salary. So as Nigerians, we must first agree say problem don't they.
True.
The previous government, not the only government we pass, they're not doing it. In fact, now they put us on this problem. Now we don't identify the problem. Now how we come out from the problem? So everybody must first agree, say problem don't deal.
Number one.
Make we come see as we go work. Make I give an example of what they happen for you.
Before you give us that example,
okay.
What we go do quickly now to rush, enter inside break. When we go the break, come back, you go give us that quick example.
Okay.
Okay, you go just complete the example, we hear you.
Okay. Their salary now about 5 billion naira every month. Then they struggle do IGR of 1 billion. All money not come again. Osun salary na 3.6 every month. Osun they struggle do like 500 million, 600 million. If salary alone be 3.6, security, welfare, every other thing. And you see, we dey misinform our people on top politician. Salary of political class. If you take Osun or most of this state, for example, you not pass 1-2%. So even if you remove them, it is insignificant. So we have to get to a state where each of the states go dey viable. We go dey practice true federalism. So each of the states go know say, now as I work, now I go chop.
Exactly.
You go first agree. You when you get to go, you go.
Anything you know say when they productive.
When they productive. So by the time we do that, everybody go work to pay in bill.
Exactly.
But at the moment, every ending we go Abuja,
go dey
collect
collect
money,
and the money not dey, go dey collect,
and the money not dey now. We can't dey complain say they not pay salary. The salary will come from heaven. So we get to face the reality. Say problem don dey, make we face wetin on ground. Come look for the solution. It go dey difficult from the beginning.
But in the long run,
and make we thank God say Nigeria own good. Go look wetin dey happen for Venezuela now.
Exactly.
Venezuela don give 2 days as public holiday out of the week.
So that people go hustle for wetin they go do.
Because the energy consumption, if you go work, don too plenty. So our own still better, but we need to cooperate. Make we forget say I dey party PDP. All of us are Nigerian.
Very, very true.
And we must move this country forward.
Engineer Oluremi, it good as you talk this particular talk like this now. The way you take even answer all the tori wey we carry come from Monday go reach Thursday, the thing make plenty sense. On Fridays we get wetin they call small chops. When we go this break, come back, we go introduce that small chops. And make I just allow people their belle sweet them small in case you dey wait for us to drop that topic. When we go the break, come back, we go collect the small chops. No go anywhere, we dey come back. To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.